Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling a side mirror in a 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's some screws here. We're gonna have to pull this screw out in here. There's a little cover right here. I'll take a straight blade screwdriver, pull this little cover off here, pull that out of the way. I can take a Phillips head screwdriver, take that out. Pull that screw out. A little cover over a screw right here. Take a straight blade screwdriver, pull that off. And we'll take a Phillips screwdriver, pull this screw out. Use a bigger screwdriver. Pull that screw out. You can take some trim tools and go underneath here and pull the switch cover off. Pull that out. Disconnect this electrical connector. I'm going to use a straight screwdriver. Push down on the tab. And pull it out. There's another Phillips head screw right there. Pull that screw out. Right, we're going to pull this trim piece off. Take a screwdriver, get underneath here, and underneath here. Oops. So I'm trying to pry it out while I release the locks underneath here. Once that's released, and slide it. It slides on right there. There's a little lip right there. That pulls out. All right, so we're gonna pull this armrest up. There's some large spring clips in here. You may have to use a trim tool. Get under here. Pull up those two clips. And we can take these two screws out, Phillips head screws. You can also use a 10mm socket. Pull those out. And there's push clips all around the inside of the door panel. I'm going to take a trim tool. We sell these in kits at 1aauto.com. Get in here, try to release the clips. It helps if you get right on the clip, but sometimes it's not easy to find them. Let's take this. Get some of those out. Pry those all out. Slide the door panel up and pull it off. So we're going to pull this trim piece off. I'm going to use a trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. There's normally a push clip right there. This vehicle doesn't have one. Just get under here. Pull that off. Those are two retainers. Next we can pull some of this vapor barrier out of our way. We can use a razor blade to help cut some of this butyl tape. Just fold it down a little bit so that we can get to the connectors. disconnect this connector here, push down, pull it out. The same for this one. Push the little lock. You can use a screwdriver to help you. And pull it out, just like that. Take these 10mm bolts out. Use a 10mm socket. I'm going to use an extension and a ratchet. Then once I get the last one loose, I'm going to grab the mirror from the outside so it doesn't fall. You could also have the window down if that helps. We can grab the mirror and pull it out. Slide the wiring harness out. And there's the mirror. Now we're going to feed the wire through here first. And then put the mirror in. Just like that. I'm going to hold the mirror. All right, while holding the mirror on the outside, I'll start my 10mm bolts. Get these all in. Once I get them all lined up, then I can snug them down. Grab the wiring harness in here, reconnect the connector right there, and then connect this connector like that, and we can reposition the vapor barrier. We can take these clip tools and take these extra clips that didn't come off. Pull these all off and we'll transfer them to the door panel. Alright, so now we'll reinstall these clips into the door trim panel. Just push it on and then slide it over in place. Okay, I'm going to reinstall this door panel. We're going to send the wiring harness through here so we can grab it later, and then install the top part of the harness of the door panel first. We'll line these clips up. When they're lined up, just tap it down. Before I put the screw in here, I'm going to put this trim piece on because it's easier to do before the screw's in there. I can get it to line up because I can move the handle back and forth a little bit depending on the direction it's going to go. Just just like that. Now I can put the screws in. Start with this screw here. Snug that up. Here's the bigger. All right, now we can put these screws in. You can either use a 10mm socket and a ratchet, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. Before I snug that up, I'll get the other one started. I'll snug these all up. Good. Next we can install this armrest. Just click that on there, hammer it down. We'll install this Phillips head screw right down here. Snug that up. I'm going to reinstall this window switch, install the connector, slide it on, click it down, and then these retainers right here, line these up, and then just push it down. I'm going to reinstall this cap over the screw right here. Just line it up, push it down, just like that. And then this little cover goes on this one. This little tab goes towards the outside of the vehicle. Line that tab up and then push it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.